Black snake. Actually, it's a water snake.
A black water snake?
It's got a fish. It's trying to get up here to eat it. That's a small catfish he's caught.
There we go. All right. Should totally stop by the nature center and go see what snake that is.
Pretty sure it's a banded water snake.
I mean, it's clearly a water snake.
Main takeaway there is it's not a copperhead.
Yeah. So if we got bit by it, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a small catfish it has.
Yeah, it is. It's got the whiskers on it. Oh, he's coming.
Nice. That scared me, dude.
Look at him, he's about got it down.
Oh, Mother's gonna love that. There you go, buddy. Alright, let's leave him to eat.